Hey y'all, it's Danielle Busby here. I know firsthand how hard it can be to manage a household, especially with my 6 girls. I'm here with Arm & Hammer Laundry as they've partnered with Dress for Success for their Power to Her campaign to share a few budget-friendly tips that set me up for success that I pass down to my girls every day and that I know will help you. Budgeting tip number 1, choose products that are efficient and easy on the wallet. We love to shop value products, and I love to coupon and see what's on sale before I actually go out shopping. Arm & Hammer Laundry is a go-to for our family. As the kids are getting older and in sports and activities after school, we are constantly keeping up with the messes and having to do lots of laundry. Budgeting tip number 2, money savings. We like to round up every dollar to our savings, and we only shop in bulk, which helps save on trips to the grocery store, and it also helps with meal prepping. Step number 3, an organized laundry schedule. I love to make a laundry schedule so that I'm not wasting time, wasting money, and wasting detergent on all the loads of laundry we have to do. Do you need to wash PJs today? Do you need towels today? So make that laundry schedule. Step number 4, try envelope budgeting so that you don't overspend your limit and that you can save money. Arm & Hammer Laundry's mission to help lighten the load is important to me, and I love their partnership with Dress for Success through the Power to Her campaign. Women need to stick together, and I'm happy to stand here with them as they continue to power one another as we get back on our feet and back into the workplace.